guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a look created by you. I did a bunch of polls on Instagram asking you guys what you want to see. So first, full glam or soft and simple. This is like kind of full glam, but it's also like soft. You guys can do it as you please. Like, you guys don't have to do all the steps I did. You don't have to use a full coverage foundation. Personally, I do, just because I like it. Asked if you wanted colorful or neutral. You guys said neutrals, which I obviously assumed. We all love neutrals. We do like to play with color sometimes, but more often than not, we're like, everyone's a neutral type person, I would say. A nude lip or a bold lip. I was really hoping for you guys to vote for a bold lip, but that's okay. I can do that in the next video. But obviously you guys picked nude lip. Glossy or matte. You guys picked glossy, so dramatic lashes or soft lashes. So the entire day it was 50-50 with these, and I decided, I'm like, you know what, if it's gonna be 50-50, I think I'm gonna go with the dramatic lashes, just to kind of give it a new edge, because you can literally play up any look with the amount of lashes you do. If you don't do any, just mascara, or you do soft lashes, or you do dramatic lashes. It's like three different like pillars of drama. But then the last second, dramatic lashes won, so it worked out in my favor anyway. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It is linked right here, as well as down below in the description box. And without further ado, let's jump into this look so you can see how I got it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with primer. So I'm using my Too Faced Hangover RX primer. Again, I know I use this like pretty much in every single video, but it gives my skin really good moisture, and I haven't found a primer yet that I'm like here for. Okay, now we're gonna go in with these Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops. Normally people can mix these with foundation. I'm personally not going to. I don't like the way it turns out when I do that. And you're just gonna rub it all in your face. Look it. It's so crazy. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna go in with foundation, and I'm using the NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation. I don't know about you guys, but like there's sometimes I'll go through phases where like I just won't touch highlighter and I'll keep everything like pretty matte. There's sometimes I'm just like, I want all the highlighter in the world. And I think right now I'm in that phase of I want all the highlighter in the world. As you can see, like as I'm blending in the foundation, it's still giving my skin that really nice glow. So I personally, when I cream contour, I like to contour before I do my concealer, because my concealer kind of like cleans it up. So I'm gonna be going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer in the shade Chestnut. This is like my favorite contour shade. You just have to be really light-handed with it. There was one time my cousin wanted, like, she came over and started doing her makeup, and I was like, yo, take it easy on that, like you don't want to use a lot. And this girl went insane with all the concealer, and she's like, what do I do? It was hilarious. So definitely just take it one step at a time. When I use cream contour, I really like to use a brush to kind of like maneuver it all around. Okay, now I'm going with my concealer, which is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And this outside. I have not been sleeping lately, so my under eye circles are like really trying to say hello. All right, so taking the butt of the Beauty Blender and blending out my chin and my forehead so it blends more seamless and it isn't as bright. Under the eye with the pointy end. So next I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is actually a great loose setting powder from the drugstore. We're just gonna set underneath the eye. So not too much baking, but we're gonna do like a slight bake because this really does brighten the under eye. Now I'm just not gonna go ahead and set my whole face, just the parts I concealed. Okay, so now for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with Celebrity and Debutante, which is the Bronze Tour from Morphe. It's a bronzer and contour. Used it much. Just gonna blend them together and apply. Wow. Why haven't I used this sooner? This is so nice. Ooh, baby. This is my new favorite. Okay, now going in with my Brittany Bear and Morphe nose contour brush, and I'm just picking up on the contour color only and just gonna shade my nose. I've mentioned this before, I'm not a huge nose contour person because I think my nose is just weirdly shaped that I just let it live in all its glory. It's who I am and I wouldn't change it, so. Now that that's done, we're gonna do blush. And I'm using my favorite blush by MAC Cosmetics, which is Peachy Keen. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then I will be right back. All right, so now for eyes, we're gonna use the same bronzer in just a fluffy brush. I'm going in with both colors. And we're gonna just put that in the crease, right from this area to connect the nose contour a little bit and outwards. Okay, now picking up on, I know I love this palette. Picking up on just like a darker shade of brown and like a smaller fluffy brush, we're gonna focus on the outer corner and in the crease a little bit, just on the outside. Just on the outside, and then I'm going in with Just a Kiss from this palette, which is just like a nice goldy shimmer color. It's my favorite. And then we're just gonna tap that on the lid to give it some glow. Make sure eyelid look wet. And that's like my favorite thing. For my lash line, I'm going in with the darkest brown color in this shade because I just need to have something at my lash line in order to like feel good. I don't know if I'm gonna wing it out today. No, I'm not gonna wing it. I'm just gonna. Okay, so now, again, just to make the lashes blend nicer, we're gonna put black eyeliner at the top. For mascara, I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. So while that's drying, we're gonna go and smoke out that lower lash line. So we're gonna use that dark brown, the second color we used. Is this Soft and Simple? I think it is. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put on my eyelashes and I will be right back. Alright guys, so lashes are on. These are Lily Lashes Mykonos lashes. They're so dramatic and so fluffy and so amazing. If you want to see how I apply eyelashes, I will have a link down below in the description box. So next we're going to be going in with the janky Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter and we're going to bathe, okay? We're going to go to town. We're gonna go into lips. So I'm gonna be using the Taurus lip liner by ColourPop. Now I'm going in with this Kylie Snowman Season matte lipstick. This was from her holiday mini set. Okay, now to make it glossy, I'm going with my favorite lip gloss by Dose of Colors. This is in Can You Not? Alright guys, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. Also follow me on my